अरे वो सब्सक्राइब बटन है ना, वो क्लिक कर देना।
Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are staying in and staying safe. I'm Anuja Pandey and this is my channel, The Beatnik Girl. If you're new here, consider subscribing and welcome to this channel. I'm really excited to start this new journey and share everything I know and I can talk to you all about. Today I want to talk about something very personal to me. It's actually a small difference which made a huge impact in my life. I want to talk about my journey from being a coder to being a designer. So it all started, I think, from class 10th, when after 10th I was supposed to take a subject and I decided to take maths because I come from a very small town from Madhya Pradesh, जहाँ पे either you become a doctor or you become an engineer. There's nothing other than those two fields. So I obviously decided to become an engineer. I am a family full of doctors though. Actually a mix of doctors and engineers. But and somehow I also wanted to get into medical field, but I wasn't interested in becoming a doctor. So the next sure option was mathematics for me. As everyone, I took maths and I gave the entrance exam, got into a college, completed my computer science engineering in 4 years. That too in an honors degree. Okay, and as every engineer, I got placed in a company, started my journey. So I completed my engineering in 2011. Yeah, 2007 to 2011 I did my engineering. Then I started working in October 2011. I worked in Mysore with an IT company as a trainee. Then I shifted to Bangalore and then I started my journey with another company as a proper coder. So the journey was interesting. I was enjoying it, but by the time I came to Bangalore, I saw so many new things happening, and I saw the passion that I had for creativity is also open as an option for career, which was never an option for me when I was in my hometown. So I started thinking about it, that what if I change my field, I get into designing, but it's never an easy thing to do it. So it took me, I think, 3.5 years. Yes. So I did coding for almost 4 years. That's when I just decided that nahi ho raha hai, and I really need to shift to design, something that I like the most. So I was sent to Gurgaon for a project by my company, where जिस दिन मुझे प्रोजेक्ट पे असाइन किया था and I was supposed to report to the project, I just went to the office and put up my resignation that no, it's not happening with me. So this was the year of 2015 when I finally decided that I have to do it. Then I took up a course of 2 years in Delhi and I did my post-graduation diploma in communication design. And that's where my journey for design started. I remember September of 2015, when that was the first month I did not get my salary after 4 years. I was so scared, so damn scared. But then धीरे धीरे समझ आने लगा. I started studying, and also in those 2 years I kept doing some freelance design work. I worked with design studios. So my faculties used to own design studios, and since they liked some of my work, they asked me if I want to work with them. I interned with one of my faculty there, and the experience was amazing. So I know people are scared in making those changes, and design is a vast field, okay? And it's not easy to understand what you want to do. And believe me when I say this, design is one field where you know your passion is design, but the outcome can be anything under the sun. If I think that, so if I saw the problem statement, so whenever design comes, it only comes when there is a problem statement, okay? The design solution can be a print, can be a web design, can be a movie, anything at all, even can be a product, okay? So it was so exciting to start the journey, and then I started working with few design studios. I was still learning, okay. I started as a print designer, then I became a visual designer. I started doing visuals for different companies for their Facebook and Twitter accounts. Then, of course, design में starting में there's not much money that you can make. Then I joined a consulting firm where also I used to design their social media collaterals like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and also the collaterals for the conferences which happens anywhere in the world. But then slowly I also understood that I like making websites too, and since I have a background of coding, I can understand those things in a better way. So I decided to explore the field of UX design and UI design, and it is amazing experience. I started working in the start. I obviously had a thought of starting with a startup company because there you get to learn a lot. So as a UX designer, I started working with a startup where I did everything, designing their logo to their marketing collaterals to their brand guidelines to their mobile application to the website, everything, and it was good. So everyone liked the work. So I knew that there is a confirmation from people that okay, the work is good. And as startups, जब आपका काम खत्म हो जाता है, then they obviously cannot afford to keep a resource where they are not taking the work and they're just paying it. So that's when I decided. So I switched to a bigger company. Now I'm working with a well-renowned bigger IT company, and I work as a UX specialist. And the clients are amazing. The work is amazing, and it was a scary journey, but it was worth all the risk that I have taken. I still sometimes look back and think, what if I wouldn't have got the guts to change my field? But then I think, agar nahi kiya hota, then that would have been the worst thing I could have done to myself. So it's not about passion, it's not about dream, it's about what you want to do with your life and what expectations you have from you. I enjoyed this journey, and I think I have no complaints. So now I work as a UX specialist, of course. I have a passion towards filmmaking, so whenever I get a chance, I try to work with some of my friends and help them in directions and help them in screenwriting, screenplay writing. I'm also a poet, so I keep writing. So I, as a designer, as a creative person, you don't stick to one field. You always explore all the different platforms you are exposed to, because हर जगह there is an option and there's a scope of creativity, and there's always an option to learn more from it. So, and I love meeting creative people. Every time I meet someone new, I learn a lot from them. I don't know, everyone is so creative around me nowadays that I learn a lot from them, and that makes this journey so amazing. I hope you also think about what you want to do in your life, and if you think that you're doing something that you always wanted to, well and good. But if you're not, then think of how you can have a small portion of something you love in your life, so that your job doesn't feel like a forced one and you stay happy wherever you are. And if you have any questions, any doubts, drop a comment below. I'd love to answer it. And I'll also make a detailed version of all these talks and about my journey. I hope you like it. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye.